Hi, I'm Dennis Phillips, and welcome to Everyday Reloading and Shooting. So I wanted to share a quick word on how I measure and mark my targets. I measure these using the Hornady Ballistics app and the group analysis function. You can download this app to any smartphone. There's a one-time fee of $5, and then you get to keep that forever. So you start with the app and you click on the group analysis function here, and this screen will pop up, which has a history of all of the groups that you're measured. If you want to measure a new group, you click on the plus sign in the upper right-hand corner of the screen, and it brings up this screen where it says take a photo of the target. When you click on that, then you have the option to take a photo or to pick a photo. And in my case, I have already taken a photo of the target, and you take a photo of the target with some basis for measurement. In my case, I lay a ruler next to the target and photograph that because you're going to use measurement points from that ruler. You could use a set of calipers and open those to 1 inch or 2 inches, and then you're going to specify your measurement points on that. So you take that picture, you have to align it vertically so that the image is straight up and down. Then you choose your measurement points, and there's a button that you can click on here to establish your measurement points. And then you can enlarge the screen so that you get an accurate point of measure. You put that marker there and you hit add, and then you go to the next one and add your second point of measurement and click add. And then that establishes the basis for measuring your targets. Then it asks you to choose your point of aim. So you click on point of aim, and you can use your fingers to spread and enlarge the target. So you get that little plus sign with the red circle around it exactly on your point of aim. And then what you'll do is you'll choose impacts, and then you will you'll have a little blue circle. You can spread your fingers on the screen to enlarge the image to where you can put the blue circle exactly on the points of impact. And then you click done when you're finished with that. And then it measures the group, and it gives you an average point of impact, which is represented by the white X in the center there. And then what it does is it measures a distance from that average point of impact to each one of the impacts, and then it averages those, and it gives you a mean radius. So when it measures your group, it's going to show you the extreme spread. It's going to show you the mean radius. It will show you the elevation and the windage above your point of aim. And it will also show you your area, the width and height of the group. So here, for example, I've marked this average point of impact with a red cross, and I've labeled in red the windage and the elevation, in this case 0.06 and 0.79. I marked my extreme spread with a solid blue line with a little tang at each extreme end, and then I write next to one of those the extreme spread, in this case 1.08. The mean radius is 0.33, and the radius is half of a circle, so I double that, and that gives me an average group size of 0.66 inches. It also shows you your height and your width of the group. So in this case, I have a width of 0.68 inches and a height of 1.07, and I've marked those in pencil. I've used a square and a pencil to mark the highest and the lowest impacts and the ones that are furthest left and furthest right. And then you multiply the width times the height, and then that gives you an area. In this case, an area of 0.73 inches. All right, there you go. That's how I measure my groups, and that's how I mark my targets.